And as we embark on the journey of legal excellence, let us kindle the flame of knowledge, representing the beacon of truth and fairness. I now request our honorable dignitaries to light the lamp, marking the conclusion of 4th AIU National Moot Court Competition 2025. Vakrakunde Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurumaya Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Thank you, dignitaries. Warm and hearty greetings to one and all present here. It's our great pleasure to welcome you all to the 4th AIU National Moot Court Competition hosted by Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Legal Studies, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University, Kanpur. We are delighted to have among us our distinguished dignitaries, Honorable Justice Abdul Moin Ji, Judge, Allahabad High Court, Lucknow Bench, Shri Jai Prakash Tiwari Ji, District and Sessions Judge, Ramabai Nagar, Shri Pradeep Kumar Singh Ji, District and Sessions Judge, Kanpur Nagar, Pro Vice-Chancellor Sir, Professor Sudhanshu Pandya Sir, Dean Administration and Director of School of Business Management. We are honored by your presence and grateful for the opportunity to host you all. Please accept our warmest gratitude. I now request our Honorable Pro Vice-Chancellor Sir to felicitate our Chief Guest Shri Abdul Moin Ji with mala, shawl and plant. I now request Sudhanshu Pandya Sir to felicitate our special guest Shri Jai Prakash Tiwari Ji with plant, mala and shawl. I now request Director Sir to felicitate our special guest Shri Pradeep Kumar Singh Ji with plant, mala and shawl. I now request Pankaj Dwivedi Sir to felicitate Pro Vice Chancellor Sir with plant, mala and shawl. Now I request Divyam Sir to felicitate Sudhanshu Pandya Sir with plant, mala and shawl. Thank you, honorable dignitaries. Located in one of the biggest industrial metropolises of state of Uttar Pradesh, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University stands as a hallmark of higher education. The university provides maximum scholastic benefit to each individual. Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University has been on the map of higher education for more than 5 decades and have recently received A++ grade from NAC. Our students have prepared a small presentation about Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University. We would request you all to have a look at it and delve into the magnificent history of our prestigious institute.
Located in the heart of Kanpur, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University stands as an epitome of knowledge, education, and research. The university is not only a center of academic excellence, but also a symbol of cultural diversity and holistic development. Established in 1966, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University, CSJMU, is one of the leading educational centers in Uttar Pradesh. Numerous colleges from Kanpur, Kanpur Dehat, Raebareli, Unnao, Sitapur, Lakhimpur Kheri, Hardoi, Kannauj, Farrukhabad, Etawah, and Oriya districts are affiliated with it. The university's NAK++ grading is the biggest achievement in the last 60 years, giving it a distinct and prestigious identity on national and global levels. The university is now among the top institutions in the country. Over the last 4 years, student admissions have tripled, and a conducive environment for research has been developed. Researchers from the university have made their mark in the global research database. CSJMU has consistently ranked among the top 5 institutions in India for research and is ranked number 1 in the country in the use of DigiLocker. Through innovation and incubation, the university has established a new identity, introducing new education policies, Samarth portals, and new courses. These positive transformations are the result of relentless dedication, hard work, and consistent efforts. Under the leadership of Honorable Vice-Chancellor Professor Vinay Kumar Pathak, the university has been rapidly progressing and setting new milestones of academic excellence. The university's journey began in 1966 in a small room on Parvati Bangla Road and has now transformed into a vast institution, symbolizing progress and growth. In 2021, after Professor Vinay Kumar Pathak took charge as Vice-Chancellor, the university adopted the Students First policy. Inspired by Chancellor and Governor Anandiben Patel and under the skilled guidance of Professor Pathak, the university has fulfilled its social responsibilities remarkably. Several initiatives have been taken in the last 4 years to provide students with easy access to job opportunities. The university also acknowledges its alumni as its heritage and regularly honors them. Under Professor Vinay Kumar Pathak's leadership, the university has been continuously moving forward on the path of progress, setting new benchmarks of success. It has secured places in the QS World Rankings, QS Asia Rankings, and Edu Rankings, consistently ranking among the best universities in India. Cultural and sports activities here inspire students for holistic development. The university's annual cultural festivals and seminars are a matter of pride, and students actively organize and participate in various high-level conferences and workshops. The university is also moving forward in adopting the new Education Policy 2020, aiming to promote new dimensions of knowledge while preserving the rich traditions of literature, art, and culture. Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University is not just an educational institution, but a journey that helps turn dreams into reality, preparing future leaders. Welcome to this extraordinary journey, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University, a center of education and a center of inspiration.
A great presentation indeed. Dear esteemed guests, dignitaries, faculty members, students and families, it's a great honor to welcome you all to the Valedictory ceremony of 4th AIU National Moot Court Competition 2025, marking the culmination of 3 days of consistent hard work, dedication and perseverance. Today, we gather to celebrate the achievements of our outstanding students who have demonstrated exceptional academic excellence, leadership skills and commitment to their passion. We also acknowledge the tireless efforts of our faculty members who have guided and mentored our students throughout their journey. With these lines, I call Samrendra Chauhan Sir, Assistant Professor of Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Legal Studies, to deliver the welcome note.
It is our boundless privilege to extend a warm, exuberant welcome to our distinguished guest on the occasion of the valedictory session of 4th AIU National Moot Court Competition under the aegis of Association of Indian Universities, hosted by Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University, Kanpur. We are utterly delighted to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice Abdul Moin Sir, Judge, High Court of Judicial at Allahabad, a luminary in the realm of law, a paragon of integrity, a stalwart of justice, and a shining exemplar of judicial excellence. Your Lordship's unwavering commitment to upholding the rule of law, coupled with your compassionate and empathetic approach to justice, has earned you the respect and the administration and admiration of the legal fraternity. Your illustrious career is a shining testament to your unwavering dedication, unrelenting passion, and uncompromising commitment to the pursuit of justice. Your Lordship's presence illuminates our gathering, and we are deeply grateful for the honor of your presence. We also extend a hearty, enthusiastic welcome to Shri Pradeep Kumar Singh, District and Session Judge of Kanpur Nagar, a luminary of jurisprudence whose astute insights and sagacious leadership have earned him a revered place in the chronicles and the realm of justice. It is our pleasure to welcome Shri Jai Prakash Tiwari ji, District and Session Judge of Ramabai Nagar. Sir, your presence here today is a beacon of inspiration, guiding our students and faculty members alike towards the pinnacle of excellence. We heartily welcome Pro Vice-Chancellor Sir of Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University, Professor Sudhir Kumar Awasthi Sir, a pillar of strength and wisdom, whose sagacity and expertise have been a source of inspiration and guidance for us. Your leadership and vision have been instrumental in shaping our institution into a hub of academic excellence. We welcome Dean Administration and Director, School of Business Management, Professor Sudhanshu Pandya Sir, who is a dedicated administration and whose tireless efforts and unwavering commitment as well as selfless service are a testament to your character and integrity. I extend my warm welcome to Shri Sudama Prasad ji, ADJ, Shri Vikas Goyal ji, ADJ, Shri Shesh Bahadur ji, ADJ, Shri Kirti Kunal, ADJ, Shri Suraj Mishra, CGM Sir, for being able to grace this occasion on such a short notice. I extend a warm welcome to Director IQAC, Professor Sandeep Singh Sir, for gracing this occasion. I extend a welcome to esteemed judges and members of bench for taking time out of their busy schedule. Please accept our sincerest and most profound gratitude for gracing the occasion with your distinguished presence. We also welcome the participants who have been the forerunner of the competition. Also, we are delighted to welcome all the students who are present here. Welcome all once again. Thank you very much.
now like to invite the co-convener of this event, Ms. Priti Roy, Assistant Professor, Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Legal Studies, to present the event report and tell us in detail about the key highlights of this historic event.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Mr. Justice Abdul Moin Sir, Judge Allahabad High Court, respected Shri Jayaprakash Tiwari Sir, District and Sessions Judge Ramabai Nagar, respected Shri Pradeep Kumar Singh Sir, District and Sessions Judge Kanpur Nagar, Professor Sudhir Kumar Awasthi Sir, Honorable Pro Vice-Chancellor, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University, Kanpur, Professor Sudhanshu Pandya Sir, Dean Administration, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University, Kanpur, distinguished guests, faculty members, participants and students. A warm and hearty welcome to all. It is indeed an honor to stand before all today and present the event report at the valedictory ceremony of the 4th AIU National Moot Court Competition, hosted by Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Legal Studies, Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj University. The journey of this competition began in August 2024. Let me confess, when we first started planning for this event, it felt like a distant dream. But by October 2024, we hosted the first Atal Bihari Vajpayee National Moot Court Competition, which served as a precursor to what we witness here today, the 4th AIU National Moot Court Competition at our very own university. Coming to the moot proposition of this year, the moot proposition of the 4th AIU National Moot Court Competition revolved around some of the most critical and evolving issues in today's legal landscape: data breaches, privacy and deepfake technology. The issues at hand were whether social media posts should be a ground for professional rejection, whether organizations can be held accountable for data breaches, and whether there is an urgent need to regulate artificial intelligence and deepfake technology. Basically, the moot proposition dealt with real-world implications that affect individuals, organizations, and the very fabric of our legal system today. Coming to the grand inaugural ceremony of this competition, it was graced by the esteemed presence of Honorable Mr. Justice Rajesh Bindal Sir, Judge Supreme Court of India. Lordship's presence added immense value to the event, setting the stage for an intellectually stimulating competition. I am delighted to share that this year's AIU NMCC, we hosted 26 teams who competed with remarkable enthusiasm, showcasing their legal acumen in the first preliminary round. After intense deliberations of the day one, the top 8 teams advanced to the quarterfinals, and the semi-final rounds witnessed an outstanding performances of the best 4 teams on the second day. Today, the competition reached its pinnacle with the final round where the top 2 teams, team code AIU NMC 402 Lucknow University and AIU NMC 424 Chandigarh University, engaged in the final battle of legal intellect vying for the championship title. I am also delighted to share that in the past 3 days, this competition was judged by more than 50 esteemed judges, including renowned academicians and experienced advocates who presided over the various rounds. And the final round today was judged itself by our Honorable Lordship and the respected judges on the dais. Their thought-provoking questions and insightful feedback provided an invaluable learning experience for the participants, pushing them to refine the legal reasoning and advocacy skills. We express sincere gratitude to our distinguished panel for their unwavering support and expertise. As a co-convener of the 4th AIU NMCC, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Vice-Chancellor and the President of AIU, Professor Vinay Kumar Pathak Sir, under whose visionary leadership our institution continues to evolve as a center of legal excellence. Every event strengthens our foundation and prepares us for even greater milestones. At last, but not the least, of course, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the participants for their commendable efforts and exceptional performances. I hope the 4th AIU NMCC will be remembered as a celebration of legal intellect, advocacy, and relentless pursuit of justice. Thank you. May the best team win.
थैंक यू मैम। टूटे हुए सपनों की सुने कौन सिसकी, अंतर की चीर व्यथा पलकों पर ठिठकी, हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा, काल के कपाल पर लिखता मिटाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ। नाउ आई वेलकम प्रोफेसर सुधांशु पांड्या सर, Dean Administration and Director of School of Business Management, Chhatrapati Shahu Ji Maharaj University, to address the crowd with his insightful words.
Hello. Very warm good afternoon to the special guest of the event, Honorable Justice Shri Abdul Moin Ji, special guest Shri Pradeep Kumar Singh Ji, District Judge, Kanpur Nagar, special guest Shri Jai Prakash Tiwari Ji, District Judge, Ramabai Nagar, Honorable Pro Vice-Chancellor of the University, Professor Sudhir Kumar Avasthi Ji, Director of the School of Law, Dr. Shashikant Dikshit, Director IQAC, and my very good friend, Professor Sandeep Kumar Singh, members of the Judiciary, members from the academic world, members from the media, staff, and above all, the cherry topping of this whole event, my dear students, not only from the university, but pan-India, we have got the 26 teams over here. So it is really a delightful experience standing here in the Senate Hall and witnessing the beautifully crafted brains, those who are going to got the limelight in the time to come in the legal world. And as far as this event is concerned, my heartiest compliment to the department for conducting such a wonderful and insightful event, not only for the first time, this is for the 4th time in series, and 26 teams from the length and breadth of India being here. But all good thing comes to an end. Likewise, we are arriving to the valedictory session today itself for the journey which we saw for 3 days. The teams competed very well. They tried to outperform others, but finally the limelight is going to be hogged by either the Chandigarh University or the Lucknow University. So the time will unfold who's going to be the champion, but you don't have to lose heart if we couldn't able to make it to the top, but carry along with you the learning which you had for 3 days being here in the campus, competing with your other team members, and the kind of mistakes and the takeaways which you are carrying from this place. Try to overcome, be a better person, be a better member to be available to the legal world. And with these words, I wish to conclude. Meeting is pleasure, parting is pain. May God keep us alive so that we can meet again. Wish you all good luck and may the good team win. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर। वसुधा का नेता कौन हुआ, भूखंड विजेता कौन हुआ, अतुलित यश क्रेता कौन हुआ, नव धर्म प्रणेता कौन हुआ, जिसने न कभी आराम किया, विघ्नों में रहकर नाम किया। Born in Lucknow, Shri Pradeep Kumar Singh Ji, District and Sessions Judge Kanpur Nagar, joined Higher Judicial Services on 6th January 2011. Sir has served as the Additional District and Sessions Judge Sitapur and Muzaffarnagar. He also served as the Principal Judge Family Court in Ayodhya. Sir is known for his intellect, prudence and virtue in the legal fraternity. I request Sir to enlighten us with his wise words.
Thank you. Honorable Justice Abdul Moeen, respected Sri J.P. Tiwari, District Judge Ramabhai, respected Dr. Sudhir Avasthi, Pro VC, and respected Dr. Sudhanshu Pandya, Dean Administration, and all present my judicial officers, professors, and students in this hall. We are fortunate enough that today we will be the recipients of blessings of Lordship. I myself learn a lot as lawyer under the guidance of Lordship, and I feel much delighted and fortunate enough that Kanpur Judgeship is performing exceptionally well under the guidance of the Lordship. Today here, promising lawyers or say judicial officers or law officers of future are sitting in this hall. Recently, I have gone through an article published in a website of Bar and Bench, and one sentence I like much from that article, which says, legal profession is the guardian of justice, ethics and mentorship. This line says enough to learn the students who are eager to enter in the legal field as a legal professional, because justice could not be done without a proper legal assistance. So I hope all the students who are eager to enter into a legal profession, either by become a lawyer, either by becoming a judge, or either becoming a law officer, they must keep in mind that they are going to play a role of guardian of justice. With the help of moot court competitions, efficient lawyers may be produced. They may help in fulfilling the need of the society at present. We feel that a good lawyer is the need of the hour to render the justice in right perspective. The participants performed well in this whole competition, and I would like to suggest the students here to inculcate the qualities of lawyer as highlighted by Honorable Lordship in the morning. Be firm and precise. Be confident but not overconfident. And respect your profession, your client, your family members, your elders most, and also respect yourself. I will not take much time because I am also eager to get the blessings of Lordship. So I once again say good luck to all the students present here for their future, and I hope they will all certainly fulfill their dreams very soon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. मैं भारतवर्ष का हर पल अमित सम्मान करता हूँ और यहाँ की गणतंत्रता पर अभिमान करता हूँ। मुझे परवाह नहीं है स्वर्ग जाकर मोक्ष पाने की, तिरंगा हो कफन मेरा यही अरमान रखता हूँ। I now invite Jaiprakash Tiwari ji, District and Sessions Judge, Ramabai Nagar. Sir was born in Balia and was appointed in Higher Judicial Services on 15th December 2008. Sir has previously served as additional district and sessions judge in Mirzapur and Basti. He has also been the presiding officer of Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Authority, Agra. Sir is an example of great knowledge, exceptional legal intellect and transparency in the entire legal community. I request Sir to share his thoughts with us.
थैंक यू। इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित आदरणीय ऑनरेबल मिस्टर जस्टिस अब्दुल मोइन सर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड सेशन जज कानपुर नगर श्री पीके सिंह सर, आदरणीय प्रोफेसर सुधीर कुमार अवस्थी सर, प्रो वाइस चांसलर, श्री सुधांशु पांड्या सर, डीन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन विश्वविद्यालय, प्यारे बच्चों, हमारे कानपुर नगर के न्यायिक अधिकारी बंधुगण, इस विश्वविद्यालय के समस्त फैकल्टी मेंबर्स, आज इस कार्यक्रम में मैं दूसरी बार इस विश्वविद्यालय में उपस्थित हुआ हूं और ये मेरे लिए बड़ा ही गौरव का विषय है। हम प्रारंभ करते हैं छात्र जीवन के रूप में और उस कड़ी से चलते चलते हम एक मुकाम पर पहुंचते हैं। मैं भी आप लोगों की तरह एक छात्र ही रहा। मैंने एलएलबी और एलएलएम इलाहाबाद विश्वविद्यालय से किया। उसके बाद कुछ दिनों में माननीय उच्च न्यायालय इलाहाबाद में प्रैक्टिस में रहा और फिर इस सेवा में आया। हम लोग इस कार्यक्रम में एक जज के रूप में उपस्थित थे, लेकिन आदरणीय श्री मोइन सर से हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे तो यही बात हो रही थी कि ये हम लोग 3 इयर्स वाले हैं और उस समय इस तरह की मूट कोर्ट की व्यवस्थाएं बहुत कम थी, कभी कभी हुआ करती थी कहीं कहीं। तो ये चीज देख करके हम लोगों को बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि आप लोगों में जो आर्गुमेंट की क्षमता है वो निश्चित रूप से आप लोगों को बहुत आगे ले जाएगी। आप किस कैरियर को चुनते हैं ये कोई बहुत महत्वपूर्ण चीज नहीं है। आप जिसमें रुचि रखते हैं, आप प्रैक्टिस में आना चाहते हैं, लीगल प्रोफेशन में जाना, जहां भी जाना चाहते हैं, पीसीएसजे में आना चाहते हैं, हायर जुडिशियल सर्विस में आना चाहते हैं, लेकिन एक जो फ्लुएंसी और एक जो बेंच के सामने बोलने की क्षमता, ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण चीज है। विधि की जानकारी और सबसे बड़ी चीज कि हमारे क्वेश्चन का आप जवाब देना, ये भी बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि आप स्टडी करते हैं, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं। इसमें 26 विश्वविद्यालय के प्रतियोगियों में भाग लिया है और आज फाइनल राउंड में लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी और चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी के छात्र थे। तो बाकी लोगों के लिए मेरी यही शुभकामना है कि आप लोग ये ना मानकर चलें कि हम लोग इस कंपटीशन से बाहर हो गए। ये तो एक कंपटीशन में फर्स्ट सेकंड आने की बात अलग है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि आप सबका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही अच्छा रहा होगा। यहाँ पे आने वाले समय में आप लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा विषय पर ध्यान दें। इसके साथ ही जो लॉर्डशिप ने कहा कि हमें सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि हर सेवा में, चाहे हम जिस भी सेवा में जाएं, उस सेवा के प्रति अपनी ईमानदारी और निष्ठा बनाए रखें। लीगल प्रोफेशन में भी अगर हम बिग एडवोकेट प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो हम न्यायालय के सामने बिल्कुल सही बात और सही आर्गुमेंट और सही पक्ष रखें। ये बहुत ही हम लोगों के लिए बड़ा गौरव का अवसर है। यहाँ पर उपस्थित हैं हम लोग। मैं वाइस चांसलर महोदय जो किसी व्यस्तता कारण आज उपस्थित नहीं है, मैं उनका भी आभारी हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे यहाँ आमंत्रित किया। मैं पुनः आप सबको बहुत हृदय से शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूँ और आप लोगों के उज्जवल भविष्य की मैं कामना करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। दो में से क्या तुम्हें चाहिए, कलम या कि तलवार? मन में ऊंचे भाव है कि तन में शक्ति विजय अपार। अंध कक्ष में बैठ रचोगे ऊंचे मीठे गान या तलवार पकड़ जीतोगे बाहर का मैदान? कलम देश की बड़ी शक्ति है, भाव जगाने वाली, दिल की नहीं दिमागों में भी आग लगाने वाली। पैदा करती कलम विचारों के जलते अंगारे और प्रज्वलित प्राण देश क्या कभी मारेगा मारे? आज हमारे समक्ष एक विशिष्ट व्यक्तित्व हैं जिनकी गरिमाई उपस्थिति से हम सब गौरवान्वित हैं। We are grateful to welcome our chief guest, Honorable Justice Shri Abdul Moin ji, to this event. Sir graduated in law from Lucknow University in 1992 and enrolled as an advocate in 1993. At Lucknow High Court, he practiced in civil, constitutional, revenue and other areas. He was appointed the judge of Lucknow High Court on September 22, 2017 and took an oath as a permanent judge on September 6, 2019. Honorable Sir is a distinguished member of legal profession with decades of experience in various areas of law. Throughout his illustrious career, Honorable Sir has demonstrated exceptional wisdom, integrity and a deep commitment to upholding the principles of justice. We are deeply grateful for his presence here today. सर ने सदैव अपने आदेशों के माध्यम से ये सुनिश्चित किया है कि उनका हर निर्णय गरीबों और वंचितों के पक्ष में हो। अपनी न्याय शैली और पारदर्शिता से ऑनरेबल सर ने शोषित वर्ग का कल्याण किया है और शोषण करने वालों का दमन किया है। उनका हर आदेश भारत के महान संविधान को परिभाषित करता है। अतः यह कहना अतिशयोक्ति नहीं होगी कि वह भारत की न्यायपालिका के मस्तक पर विराजमान उस कोहिनूर की भांति है जिसकी चमक से ये देश और इसका लोकतंत्र प्रकाशमान होता है। Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Honorable Justice Shri Abdul Moin ji. All of you are requested to stand in the honor of Sir and greet him with a huge round of applause.
Good afternoon to all of you. Shri Pradeep Kumar Singh, District Sessions Judge, Kanpur Nagar. Shri Jai Prakash Tiwari ji, District Sessions Judge, Ramabhai Nagar. Professor Sudhir Kumar Avasthi Sahab, Pro Vice-Chancellor, CSEM University. Professor Sudhanshu Pandya, Dean Administration of the University. The judicial officers present out here. The other dignitaries of the dais, ladies and gentlemen, and as a particular airline says, boys and girls. First of all, thank you very much for having invited me to this. This is the second time perhaps that I was judging a moot court competition, and I must say I was simply blown away by the performance of both the teams. The confidence which both the teams indicated was simply outstanding. As I had indicated to the teams in the hall itself, the level of confidence that was indicated by the teams was much beyond what we had when we had left the law school. Because obviously it's a 3-year course, we did not have moot competition at that stretch of time, but the level of confidence was simply mind-blowing. It was an excellent performance by both the teams. After, I guess, a few minutes, the winners are going to be announced. Firstly, I would like to congratulate those who did not make it. You would find it strange as to why I am congratulating those teams or those boys and girls, those students who did not make it or could not succeed. This not succeeding, not getting the top prize has given you an opportunity to go to look into yourselves, to look into your weaknesses as to what did not lead you to the top prize. You'll have an opportunity of going through your weaknesses. Obviously, your strengths are there. You've made it almost to the top. But then, perhaps the winning team would not have that particular opportunity of seeing its weaknesses because it has won, and therefore it would continue to build upon its strengths itself. You, the losers who do not, I won't call them losers, I would call them who couldn't make it. You have an opportunity of looking to your weaknesses and trying to improve upon them in order to ensure that whenever in case you don't graduate yet, you have an opportunity of building upon that weaknesses and to convert it into your strength. The next one would be the winners. Obviously, congratulations them. You've worked upon everything in order to succeed, whoever they might be, whichever of the teams are there. And please do utilize your strengths which have led you to the top prize in order to succeed in life, in order to build upon that, and don't rest upon your laurels that once we made it this far, therefore we are going to succeed everywhere. No, this would be a stepping stone in order to understand life as to how you all imbibe the good things in order to succeed. Please do build upon that. As I indicated in the hall itself, the students should be also grateful to their parents. The parents have strived hard in order to put you at a place in an institution which makes you stand at the threshold of life. You are about to enter the world. Standing at that, I should not use the word the big bad world, but in fact it is a bad world. I was in a residential school. We had boarding, and it was fully residential school. And I was there in the hills, so therefore it was all the most secluded. On a hilltop, old students refer to as the red hilltop. But that is one thing that the teachers used to also tell us. Look here, you are here secluded in these hostels of yours. You might find your other students, your seniors to be bad. But they are the teachers to be bad also. But they are only indicating as to what you are going to face in life. Here you might get away with one thing, but life does not forgive. The world does not forgive. So once you step out in the world, be very cautious, be very careful that none of your acts that you do reflect bad on your family, on your parents, and on yourself. Your gurus, your teachers, starting from, I guess, your kindergarten till you graduate now, are those who have imbibed something in you. Please do try and remember that. Stick to the teachings of your gurus, your teachers, and don't do anything in life which reflects back on your gurus also, on your parents obviously, but on your gurus also. कि साहब अच्छा उनके पढ़ाए हुए थे, इधर ऐसे हैं. The teachers should be proud of you. Please ensure that. I've got the quotation of the poem of Robert Frost, The Road Less Travelled, and I quote, "Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference." Why I say it is that once you step out in the world, you will find people adopting all kind of tactics in order to succeed. You got an option of following them. That would be perhaps the easiest way out. सब करते हैं, मैं काहे ना करूं. But that doesn't make you stand apart in the world. What your parents have taught you, what your teachers, what your gurus have taught you, obviously they won't have taught you anything bad. Everybody might be doing a particular bad thing that does not entail you, that does not give you a license. that does not oblige you, that does not make it mandatory, you all be able to, the law students will be able to understand the difference between mandatory and directory. That it is not a mandate that because everybody is doing it, therefore you are bound to do it. Please don't do that. Carve out your own path in life from the mistakes that you might commit, or you may commit. Everybody commits mistakes. Nobody is perfect in life. From the mistakes that you commit, please do try to learn something from that mistake in order to ensure that the mistake is not committed and to build upon that. I'll just give you a small instance. When we started off as lawyers, our seniors used to tell us to be prepared with your matter, anticipate as to the objection that is going to come from the other side, and be prepared for that objection also with the help of say, case laws or whatever. Just anticipate that. And that is one thing that really gave us an impetus, that gave us some strength, that gave us an advantage over the other person. Because the other person, the opponent, was not expecting that you would be ready with those objections. We still remember those high stakes matters that we used to have. All of us in the chamber used to sit together. Obviously, you're sitting on one side of the table. You might be having one opinion, the other person sitting at the other end of the table would be having another opinion. Now, those two conflicting opinions, because all of you are working together on a particular matter or say on a particular problem in life, the other view would also be taken, and there has to be a way out. In my life, at least, I have never found any problem which was insurmountable. It could not be got over. So you'll have 2 opinions, 3 opinions, 4 opinions, whatever number of your colleagues are sitting. Build upon that. Anticipate कि क्या आ सकता है. I recollect a matter because I'm in a university. We had a matter in which one of the professors or whatever, under the Universities Act, a memorandum can be sent to His Excellency the Governor, who also acts as the Chancellor. Now, a memorandum had been sent, and we were in a petition before the High Court, praying for a mandamus to the Chancellor to decide that memorandum, to decide that application of ours, to decide that representation of ours. Now, one of our colleagues who was sitting in the chamber, it had been drafted, it was listed the next day. One of our colleagues pointed out कि just how do we get over the fact because the Chancellor is His Excellency the Governor. Now can a High Court issue a direction to the Governor? And we all start saying, ये तो देखा ही नहीं था. Supposing he comes up with that, what are you going to do? We started hunting out. There's a direct judgment on that point. Perhaps of the Kerala High Court reporting the AIR, we managed to get that. The solution is that the direction is not being issued to the Governor. It is being issued to the Chancellor. So therefore, the Chancellor is not immune because he is exercising 2 functions. One as the Governor, but here he is exercising it as the Chancellor. So therefore, direction can very well be issued. Although what we do is we request the Chancellor to decide it, or we expect the Chancellor to decide it. You will get hold of the judgment. Even an expectation of the High Court or a Constitutional Court is a mandamus. So slightly camouflage direction even to the Chancellor to decide a particular thing. But that is how we used to anticipate. Although it was one thing that the case was decided in, I guess, 30 seconds or something. क्या है सब direction all right, fine, mandamus. And that was the end of it. Whatever preparation that we had done, but that one preparation has stood by us for around 2 decades or something. That was the level of preparation that we used to anticipate as to what is going to come. And that has really helped us. Now, as few of you would be appearing in the profession as a lawyer, few of you as judicial officers, in LLM, as professors, as teachers, I can only advise you as a lawyer, whoever of you enter as a lawyer, please try and do something for the society. Now, one thing which has really developed over the years is the litigation in the shape of a public interest litigation. You simply look around in the society, you will see problems everywhere. Wherever you look, you will see problems. As a lawyer, you'll be having the material in front of you, or gather material, go in for a PIL, try and help the society, try and do something for the society, try and do something for the lesser privileged, the underprivileged. You owe it to them. I won't say that you have to do, you owe it to them. You have a duty towards them. You are an educated person, rather you are a professional. Please do something for the underprivileged. They do not have the guts, they do not have the courage, they do not have the means to approach the court. You approach them in order to help them out. It is your duty. Even as a judicial officer, whenever you take, and I wish you all the best for that also, as a judicial officer, the public, the litigating public would be coming to you with some grievance or the other. Please listen to them sympathetically. Everybody has a grievance. You give them a patient hearing, 50% of the problem is gone in case you give them a patient hearing. Obviously, the patient hearing would, in most of the matters, would have to be given to a lawyer. Sometimes a lawyer is not able to express something to the court. It would be your duty as an officer, as a judicial officer, to sift through the file, to go through the file, and find out as to what the litigant wants, and as to whether the lawyer is able to express it, as to whether there is any law in his favor, because it's a 24-hour job as a judicial officer, as a lawyer. You have to keep abreast of the law also. So please do and try and help the litigant also who is there, both as a judicial officer and as a lawyer also. All of you would be understanding the difference between sympathy and empathy. Sympathy is you sympathize with the person, you sympathize with the litigant, you sympathize with the person. Empathy is somewhat akin to it, but empathy would be you place yourself in his shoes and then try and understand the problem. Sometimes we have delay and latches, 10 saal, 12 saal, 15 saal. Very recently we had a matter in which the lady was approaching this court around 25 years from the death of her husband, praying for pension in terms of a circular of a corporation. There was a very recent Supreme Court judgment that lawyer was not knowing. Obviously, you don't expect the litigant to know. Even that lawyer was not knowing. We had gone through it. The Honorable Supreme Court has said that the constitutional courts, because they are exercising extraordinary jurisdiction, don't go into the issue of technicalities, go into the issue of latches, don't go into the issues of delay. Just see whether a person who was approached is entitled for that particular thing. Whether obviously you would not be entitled to it in case that any third party rights have been created, or for that matter the department has simply weeded out the records. Then there's nothing you can do. Certain exceptions have been carved out. But the thrust, it's a 3 years judgment to go through it, December 2024. But the thrust of that judgment was that in case a litigant is coming to a constitutional court, please don't look into the technicalities, please don't look into the latches, please don't look into the aspects of delay. Try and help him out. Try and redress the difficulty that he has faced for various reasons, lack of financial resources, lack of good advice, or whatever reasons. He might not have approached the courts of law. But once he approaches, it is your duty to go into it and find out as to the best you can do for him. So once again, I congratulate everybody, those who didn't make it, those who would be making it as the result is to be announced. Do your best. You are at the threshold of your life. Do enter the big bad world after fortifying yourself. Do your very best. Make your parents proud, make your gurus proud, make your teachers proud of you. And at the end of the day, make yourself also proud by not doing anything which is bad, either for the society or for yourself or for your family. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। आपकी उपस्थिति के लिए हम जितनी बार भी धन्यवाद करें वो कम है। कोई बात नहीं, ऐसे ही नहीं चलती घर की नाव साहब। पतवार जिसके हाथ में हो वो बड़े मायने रखता है। किसी घर, समाज, संस्थान या देश कि प्रगति में उसके नेतृत्व करने वाले का बहुत बड़ा हाथ होता है, क्योंकि वह मात्र दिशा ही प्रदान नहीं करता, अपितु अपने तेज और ज्ञान से दशा को भी बदलने का कार्य करता है। आज ये कहते हुए बड़े ही गर्व
Sitting on the dais, the chief guest of this occasion, Shri Abdul Moinji, respected Honorable Justice, Allahabad High Court, Lucknow Bench, Shri Pradeep Kumar Singh, District and Session Judge, Kanpur Nagar, Shri Jayaprakash Tiwari, District and Session Judge, Ramabai Nagar, who is also known as Kanpur Dehat. My fellow colleagues, Professor Sudharshan Pandya, Dean Administration and the Dean of the Faculty of Business Management. My another colleague, Dr. Sandeep Kumar Singh. I feel a little hesitant to throw some light on the already illuminated atmosphere. You have seen that light has gone, but तो मैं कहूँगा I should share that I do not need to say anything about the event which has taken place. I cannot comment on the quality of the education we are actually giving to our students. This is the fourth moot court competition within a span of 8 years. The institute was established in 2017 and now it is 2025, and we are arranging fourth moot court competition. This highlighted actually the perseverance and the hard work which has been shown by this department. The budding lawyers and the judges which are sitting just in front of me are the basic backbone behind this skeleton of development headed by the director Dr. Shashikantji under the dynamic leadership of our Vice-Chancellor Professor Vinay Kumar Patel. I must say that there are certain points to be commented upon. I must say that there are two words which have been told by Honorable Judge Saab: empathy and sympathy. I particularly as a teacher, what I have found that a feeling of apathy is also developing in the society. And this apathy makes you actually, you are not concerned to the events which are occurring, which are happening around you. And you say that, I mean, that means anything which is happening, I do not have any say into it. I have nothing to contribute in this. I do not have any solution of it. This is apathy, and it has to be eradicated right from the beginning. The apathy has to be dealt with, and we as a teacher are giving the lessons to our students that be sympathetic to our society, the fellow colleagues. The events which are occurring around you must be known to you and you must react to it. You must have a say because you are going to become a lawyer or judge, and therefore you must develop an opinion and you must express this opinion either in your class or any platform which is provided by the society. So be sympathetic to the events which are occurring. You cannot be immune to the events which are occurring. I would say that we are trying our best because we are inculcating the habits of discussion, arguments, and how they should be expressed. The moot court competitions are meant for discussing the issues which are coming just in front of you, some burning problems. You can have a special view around it, but the difference of opinion must be honored. And I must say that everything sitting in this hall may not agree to what I am saying or what Chief Justice is saying or what any judge is saying. You must develop your opinion, and if you have a difference of opinion, it should be honored by all. A consensus may be created, maybe some middle way can be searched out, but you must express your opinion which is coming right from the core of your heart. In university system, I want to tell the galaxy of judges which are sitting over here. As per the rules of the government, we have appointed a Lokpal in the university also. And Lokpal may be any sitting court judge, or he may be a retired person, a retired judge, or he may be a professor also, who is always looking after what we are doing. If there is a lacunae, there is shortcoming in the process, or our intent may also be malified sometimes, it can be at least. So the Lokpal is going to see all these things. And a Lokpal is a connecting link between the Vice-Chancellor and Chancellor. He or she will report the case or any anomaly if it is happening to the Governor or the Chancellor of the universities. So we are developing an ecosystem in which justice can be provided to each and every student or each and every faculty which has been appointed here. We have a broad family consisting of students, teachers, chancellors, vice-chancellor, even the class 3 and class 4 employees. The justice has to be delivered to the last man in the queue, as Pandit Deendayal ji says, that Antyodaya, the rising of a person who is just in the last person of the queue, has to be given some justice. So your duty is to provide justice within a time framework. Sometimes it is sad in the society that justice delayed is justice denied. It should not happen. I have heard in the newspaper that one person who was a culprit, who was actually a person, a leader in the 1984 Sikh riot, he was convicted after 30 years in 2024, and he has been convicted. So, this kind of attitude, this kind of phenomenon which is either knowingly or unknowingly occurring in the society, it creates some confusion amongst us. So I request all these persons or the students, the participants or the faculty members which are sitting here, they should look into this problem, and Honorable Judge Sahab, he will also look into this matter, and I feel that justice has to be given within a time framework. And therefore, I request all the participants, whether you win or lose, the participation is important. The result is going to be declared, and it will be announced by our Honorable Judge Sahab, and he will announce the first and second or runner-up or winner. But apart from this, the participation is important. We have a deep-rooted system in our ancient sculpture about the laws. The laws of the legal system was the synonym of the dharma. Dharma says, dhritik kshama damostayam shaucham indriya nigra dhir vidya dasakam dharma lakshana. And these are the human values which have been given the form of the law. And therefore, we have many smritis. Even the Manusmriti, point of discussion, the Manusmriti or many other, Yajnavalkya Smriti, there are many scriptures which have described how to run the society. And this society must be a lawful society which can abide by the rules. And therefore, we all, which are the part of the ecosystem, must give justice to all the downtrodden or the poor who have not money. They do not have money to reach to the doors of the court. They should be provided justice. And if this societal benefit is added to your course, that will be a biggest thing, biggest achievement in your life. I wanted to tell you, sir, also that we have devoted the first unit of our syllabus, whether it is a course of the BA, LLB, BB, LLB, LLM, the first unit is devoted to the Indian knowledge system. This Indian knowledge system in the legal studies of the law, it describes what is there, how the legal studies are quite, strong. They have been strong in the past also. So it has a legacy, a very legacy of legal studies in our Indian ancient structures. And therefore, we have to look the past. We have to see the future also. With the technological innovations occurring in the field of information science, the artificial intelligence, and the machine learning is also entering into the profession of legal studies. I personally feel, not as a Vice-Chancellor, I personal capacities feel that human intelligence has no substitute. I don't know whether you agree or not, but artificial intelligence should not be a master, it should be a servant. And therefore, all those who are sitting over here, I request that your future is very bright and you must develop certain ethical values. In the legal studies, the ethical values have their position. And you must adopt those pathways which are propounded by our ancient rishis, sadhus and saints. So, all the best for your future profession. The kind of discussion, deliberation, arguments which have taken place in the last 3 days, I must congratulate the whole organizing team and the participants together. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed judges, distinguished guests and participants, the much-awaited moment has finally arrived. Hold your breath because it's the time to announce the winners of 4th AIU National Moot Court Competition 2025. The awards shall be given in following categories: Best Memorial, Best Researcher, Best Speaker, Runner-Up, and finally the winner of this competition. However, before that, I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude to our esteemed judges for their invaluable time, expertise and dedication to this competition. To our participants, I would like to congratulate each one of you for your outstanding performance, hard work and commitment to excellence. And now we move on to the award for Best Memorial. This award recognizes the team that has submitted the most outstanding written memorial, demonstrating exceptional research analysis and writing skill. The team will not only receive certificate and trophy, but also a cash prize worth 5,100. I now request Pro Vice-Chancellor Sir to declare the winner for Best Memorial.
University School of Law and Legal Studies, Guru Gobind Singh, Indraprastha University.
Congratulations AIU NMC 416, Guru Gobind Singh, Indraprastha University. Congratulations winners. A huge round of applause for them. Sir, I request all our honorable dignitaries to please come forward and grace the participants with their benign presence. And now, we move on to the award for Best Researcher. This award recognizes the individual who has demonstrated exceptional research skills, providing outstanding support to their team arguments. The best researcher will receive a cash prize worth Rs 5,100 along with certificate and trophy. I request Shri Jaiprakash Tiwari ji to declare the best researcher.
The best researcher is Rama University Sagar Mishra.
Congratulations, Sagar Mishra, AIU NMC 415, Rama University. श्रोतागणों से पुनः निवेदन है कि आलस्य देवी का त्याग करें और जब तक हमारे विजेता यहाँ नहीं आते तब तक तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए. With that, we move on to the award for Best Speaker. This award recognizes the individual who has demonstrated exceptional advocacy skills, articulately presenting their arguments and persuasively engaging the judges. The best speaker will receive a cash prize worth Rs 5,100 along with trophy and certificate. I now request Shri Pradeep Singh ji to declare the best speaker.
Name of the best speaker two is Symbiosis Law School, Nagpur, Maharashtra से अथर अभियंकर.
Congratulations, Athar Abhyankar, AIU NMC 411 Symbiosis Law School. Congratulations, Athar. तालियां बहुत कम है आपकी. Now, the suspense is finally over as we have the team which has shown exceptional advocacy skills, knowledge and research and has emerged victorious in this competition. I request our chief guest, Honorable Shri Abdul Moin ji, to declare the winner of 4th AIU NMCC 2025.
The winner is the Chandigarh University.
Congratulations, Chandigarh University, AIU NMC 424. Congratulations, winners.
Comprising of Arvind, Sakshi, Dhawan and Vishal Ratan.
A huge round of applause for them. Our winners will be awarded a cash prize worth Rs 51,000 along with trophy and certificate. जोरदार तालियों से इनका अभिवादन करें. तालियां पुनः रुक गई आपकी. legal skills, impressive research and outstanding teamwork, but narrowly missed the top spot. The runner-up team of 4th AIU NMCC 2025 is AIU NMC 402, University of Lucknow. Congratulations, team. Our runner-up team will receive a cash prize worth rupees 21,000 along with certificate and trophy. Congratulations. I would now like to invite all the winners in each category to please come forward for group photographs. I repeat again, I invite all the winners in each category, Best Memorial, Best Speaker, Best Researcher and our winners as well, to please come forward for group photographs. Runner-ups, please come forward. University of Chandigarh, University of Lucknow, Atharv Abhyankar Sagar Mishra, and AIU NMC 416. Please come forward. A huge round of applause for them. Congratulations, winners. Now I would like to request our Honorable Pro Vice-Chancellor, sir, to felicitate our chief guest, Shri Abdul Moin ji, with memento and painting made by the talented students of our university from creative and performing arts. I would now like to request Director Sir to felicitate our special guest Shri Pradeep Kumar Singh ji with memento and painting. Thank you, dignitaries. अंधकार अवश्य है, परंतु विधि छात्रों के लिए कोई डरने की बात नहीं, क्योंकि हम तो अंधकार में प्रकाश जलाने का कार्य करते हैं. Now I invite our sustainability partner, Dr. Harshit Mishra ji, founder of EHM, which is an incubated startup of CSJM Innovation Foundation. EHM focuses on sustainability presented before them. I now invite Harshit Mishra ji to enlighten us with his prudent words.
Respected and honorable guest, our university leadership, and dear friends. So first of all, thanks a lot for giving us the time for very important subject is sustainability, which affect every day nowadays. Before that, I would like to share that this is under the leadership of Professor Vinay Kumar Pathak and Professor Sudhir, our Vice-Chancellor, Professor Sudhir Kumar Avasthi. We have now doing the assessment of every important event in the university, that whatever the carbon emissions we are doing in 3-day conference, we have to measure it. And this is one of the very famous saying of Mr. Peter Drucker is like, if you cannot measure it, we cannot manage it. So keeping this in mind, we have started this sustainability assessment of reporting. We have also done in the first AIU Moot Court as well, and now this is the second, that's something we are trying to do that. Let me just share a brief about. So now just quickly share what is sustainability, and for the larger audience as well. So sustainability is the ability to meet present need without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. It encompasses environmental, social and economic responsibility to ensure long-term balance and well-being. Now, it was very important that why it is very important to measure the sustainability assessment of any event. So event sustainability is a strategy to design, organize and produce event in a way that consider the environmental, social and economic responsibility of the event. Producing sustainable events will help organizer improve the attendee experience, first of all, provide cost saving to the event budget and help inspire behavioral changes. The 4th AIU National Moot Court Competition hosted by ABVSLS CSGM Kanpur focused on sustainability through intervention to minimize environmental impact and promote resource efficiency. So there are 5 major areas where we normally measure the environmental impact. First is electricity, that how much electricity we are consuming to 3-day conference. Materials, whether we are using the sustainable packaging or we are using the sustainable gifts, that is something very important to measure it. Third is food, how much food we are generating, food we are using, how much food we are wasting. Water consumption and transport. The people are coming on the various part of the India, whether they are coming different modes, how much emission it is generating. So we are also not direct emission, we are also calculating the indirect emission that people are coming from various part of the country. There are some key points that I would like to highlight, that is that in the total calculation we found that around 3.1 metric ton carbon emission, particularly from the travel, and total waste is around 630 kg. The event significantly reduced carbon emission by encouraging carpooling, optimizing travel routes and integrating renewable energy solutions. To enhance energy and waste management of the event venue, utilized 2 megawatt power we have already installed in the campus, so that we are using the renewable energy. Motion-based, sensor-based LED lighting that we have installed in the most of the building. 1.1 mld wastewater is treating, so currently we are JLD, zero liquid discharge, we are not discharging our wastewater to the environment. IoT-based smart water metering to reduce the water at very scale. Yeah. Rooftop water harvesting to recharge groundwater and to reuse of the refillable stainless steel water, that is something you can see that. And the 100% food waste composting that we have in our facility, that we are using it. Coming to next, we have practices the single-use plastic eliminated throughout the conference. The event also promoted digital marketing to avoid the paper wastage, etc. to conclude it, ultimately we have to go to the achieving the net zero, and that we have to start by measuring it and identify the where we can minimize it at every step of that. So finally, the last word that I would like to mention is sustainability is not just a goal. It is a continuous journey of improvement and innovation. It cannot be happening in a day. We have to keep working day by day, every event, so that we can become a net zero. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Dhanyawad, sir. I now invite the co-convener of this event, I'm really sorry, Dr. Pankaj Dwivedi, sir, Associate Professor of Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Legal Studies, to deliver the vote of thanks to our honorable dignitaries.
Good afternoon to all. It is with great honor and immense gratitude that I stand before you today to deliver this vote of thanks at the valedictory session of the 4th AI National Moot Court Competition. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed Chief Guest, Honorable Justice Sri Abdul Moin Judge, Allahabad High Court, Lucknow Bench, for gracing this occasion with his esteemed presence. Sir, your inspiring words and valuable insights have enriched this event immensely and indelibly impact on all of us. A sincere note of appreciation to our special guest, Sri Pradeep Kumar Singh, District Judge Kanpur Nagar, and Sri Jayaprakash Tiwari, District Judge Ramabai Nagar, for their presence and encouragement. We are deeply grateful to our Professor Binay Kumar Pathak, Vice-Chancellor, and Pro-Vice-Chancellor Professor Sudhir Kumar Avasthi for their continuous guidance and leadership. Your unwavering support has been a pillar of strength for all academic and extracurricular endeavors at our institution. Your contribution have played a vital role in shaping this event into a grand success. Our heartfelt thanks to Professor Sudhanshu Pandya, Director ASP. A special mention to the Registrar and Professor Sandeep Singh for their encouragement and active participation. I am also thanks to Sri Shudama Prasad, ADJ, Sri Vikas Goyal ji, ADJ, Shesh Bahadur ji, ADJ, Kirti Kundal ji, ADJ, and Suraj Mishra, CGM from Kanpur District Court. Our sincere appreciation to the Director of Atal Bihari Vajpayee School of Legal Studies, Dr. Chhatrapati, for their invaluable efforts in making this competition a remarkable experience for all the participants. To my dear colleague and faculty members, I extend my gratitude for your dedication and commitment. We have immensely contributed to the success of this event. A big thanks to the hard-working staff, technical team, media person, and Moot Court organizing team, whose behind the efforts ensured the seamless execution of this event. Last but not the least, a special appreciation to all the students who participated with great diligence. Your hard work, legal passion for advocacy have made this competition a grand success. Once again, I extend my deepest gratitude to each one of you for making this event a memorable and successful one. Thank you all for your presence and support. Thank you so much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर. Janani Janmabhumishta Swargadapi Garyasi. Now I request all of you to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की